Hi YouTube. I'm back. It's your girl Tamika Renee. Make sure you guys subscribe. It's that button below. Just hit that button below. Subscribe. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave your comments down below. Now today I'm eating Hamburger Helper. You know, I just thought I should come on the camera because I missed y'all, and I was like, oh, let me eat this. And I might be eating McDonald's in a little bit. And I think this is my
6 meals a day.
first time eating. No, I keep eating at 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. and stuff like that. I don't know why. She irritating.
Why she gonna say
But
something like that?
y'all remember how I looked at earlier in my bath time video with my son? Yeah, I had to get it together, wash my hair and stuff like that. But yeah, so this hamburger helper with the Fritos, I just added cheese to it, and I'm about to add sour cream to it. And then I'm drinking apple juice. Babe, don't let your stomach hurt. You know that heartburn. So I'm using this sour cream. I'm in love because it's pouchy. I hate the other one because, damn, this shit never fails. It come out fast as hell.
That's how come out.
Ugh. Shut up on my video.
Shoot.
You know what?
Babe, I don't think that's a good time to do that. I'm eating.
Consists.
Oh my gosh.
This is just
Get out of my video.
Bitch, you like that. She wanna
No,
be
I
touched.
don't.
She wanna be touched.
Okay, let me just stop because they're going to keep going. These are people in the Panda Express video. If y'all know what I'm talking about, just
Panda
scroll
Express.
through the videos. Yeah, when we was at Panda Express.
Bitch, you recording me on Panda Express?
We had fun that day.
I'm the realest that can't Panda Express because they food is real.
Hot sauce. I'm using that good old Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce.
Sweet
Tell
baby.
that's the cheap brand.
This hot sauce expensive?
No,
I said $5.
Mika, my house was 17.
Miles hot sauce.
Why you get that? I never had no hot sauce like that. Shit.
I got the shit Red Lobster used.
$17? Never in this lifetime, not for no hot sauce, and it leave quick, because I use it on every meal, almost. But cereal.
But you'll spend $36 at McDonald's.
Tracy, we went to Red Lobster. I got a Red Lobster video.
Who is Red Lobster?
Me and him. We just had a biscuit that we threw away.
Baller.
He ate a $37.99 plate. I know.
Yeah.
$37.99 plate. Go see that too, y'all. Red Lobster.
Did y'all get what me and Justin got? Because guess what?
We got the lobster pizza.
No.
Y'all got that, huh?
Hell no, bitch.
And he got an alcoholic drink. It was good.
Let me tell you something. Justin
What's
got
called
the platter.
That's what he got. Mussel, lobsters, crab, sausages,
You
shrimp.
dip your shrimp in the butter?
Yes.
Guess what else we got? Guess what we got? We got the shrimp lettuce wrap. Appetizer. Did y'all get your appetizer?
The shrimp. I got.
The appetizer we got was
Did you taste that little salad? Caesar salad.
It was okay.
It was bomb.
They did whack. What Red Lobster y'all went to?
I'm Crenshaw.
We went to the new one, and they salad was not popping.
Oh, we went to the one on Decatur.
Yeah, I know.
We
They're used to it because the Red Lobster been open a while. That one's new, and they salad was regular like Denny's.
Wow.
Yep. But they biscuits was good, like you said. It's like garlicky, buttery, whatever.
And they almost fall.
You touched that bitch.
But guess what meal I got?
You a slap a bitch.
Guess what meal I got? Shrimp linguine. It had full order of it. And she.
Oh, okay. That's what I got.
What you get?
Chicken tacos.
That's it.
Why you get that from there?
That shit was fire, nigga.
You stick to your original,
And
huh?
the thing is, they put ranch on my fucking tacos, right? Mm-hmm. I said, man, come on, dog. Then they just try it. Taste it. I don't know what kind of fucking ranch is that. I hate ranch. That taco, I demolished.
It's sriracha ranch, probably.
Mm-hmm. It was an orange, a red looking one.
Yeah, sriracha.
Put some sriracha. Yeah.
Sriracha good.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
It was so good. But you got I've been there 4 times.
What'd you eat? Can you remember?
Okay. Shrimp, lettuce wrap. I'm naming apple. We got so many appetizers. Me and Justin just kept getting it.
Honestly, I didn't want to do that because my platter was huge.
And guess what else we
already
got?
was full.
We got it was like spicy crust covered shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
2 bomb. What else we
I
get?
asked them.
We got shrimp tacos.
That's how I look up close.
Justin brought a crab to the table.
See that steam?
A
whole crab?
Yep.
A lobster.
A lobster or a crab?
What the fuck is it, bitch? I mean, girl.
The lobsters is
They got
longer.
crab and lobster
It
there,
was a
girl.
big one that looked like you get them up with you.
Like with the back, or was it a skinny big one?
It was a
with
big,
legs.
fat, white ass back, like a big ass
Okay,
flat
yeah.
rock.
I think that was crab.
That was crab.
Because lobsters are skinny.
They let us shoot it out the
They
tank.
go
Hey.
around. They go like this.
They let what?
Us shoot it out the tank.
They go like this.
Is you in the camera? Because you embarrassing my sister. She not gonna get no subscribers.
Yes, I'm the reason why she gets them, honey. Yes.
Your
Yeah.
sisters. I can't stand Taco Bell fries. Shit whack as fuck.
Look at that still in there. I'm so mad. I even tried them.
They so whack. I can't even Taco Bell disrespect the Taco Bell like that.
You know they had to come with something.
Listen, everybody was like, y'all got the nacho fries. I'm like, nah, I missed it before I start working here. As soon as I leave, the nacho fries come back. Now it's buffalo nacho fries.
Oh, guess what else they do? They do nachos too. They put the cheese on it, the meat, all that with the fries. But the fries are nasty.
That's what we ate last night.
Ain't no
That's what I got.
flavor
That's
to the
nasty.
fries.
I had a chicken quesadilla.
Y'all didn't get the box like this? Nacho big
The party pack.
That is huge.
I ate one whole all by myself, nigga.
You lying.
Show the camera. Show her the camera. Show her on the camera. She ate it all by herself.
call me Trey Loco, and you in the fun, and you bring. Sorry, y'all.
Let's shake it off.
Sorry.
I bet you I get you about 2 subscribers. They gonna be like, who that? I'm gonna say Trey Loco, Fo Loco, Go Loco. I'm gonna say that's my song. That's what it made. It was represented from that.
That's so stupid.
What?
Shorty.
To make a channel.
How does make channel? Huh? We got on Mickey just sitting there eating pretty. Bitch, you don't eat pretty like that. Daddy said you need food all by the bed. So I know you don't eat like that.
I'm just being a long time.
No, I want some pretty shit.
Where's the
Show
line?
the real you. Show me, show me, show me, show me, show me, show me.
Y'all see the steam?
Still, don't have no bitch that act fake in camera. Cause when she get famous, she gonna act fake too.
What you been doing?
Oh.
Come here. Stanley. He ate $1 and I made him go lay down.
You ate $1?
No,
He made
not the
money.
whole thing. The corner. He was eating it. I said, "Don't eat this $1," and he ate it.
Well, at least he made him money.
On what?
Huh? Give me some.
Who else be eating hamburger helper?
Everybody poor. Stanley.
I don't know.
It is
Stanley.
cheap. Don't mind her in the
We can try
background.
to talk to me. Can try to talk in the camera. She said, "Who else eat hamburger helper?" I said, "Bitch, whoever poor." $2 box. Nigga, that's fucked up because you
Go
represent.
lay
my
down,
mom.
nigga, like
No,
she said.
Stanley.
Get your ass upstairs and lay
Stanley.
down.
Nika.
The TV must
Stanley,
be
tell her
on.
she fucked up for that, huh?
For what?
How the hell she gonna eat hamburger helper with a background like this? They gonna know we on section 8. Huh?
Girl, ain't nobody on that.
Don't tell me you told subscribers to your house.
Anywho.
You can hit me up on my YouTube channel. Trey Loco, Go Loco, Go Loco. Is that really gonna be on there?
I'm gonna show you how I look.
Or you gonna delete me? You gonna delete me, bitch?
This is how I look right now. No, I ain't.
I'm about to go.
Why?
I gotta go home to my husband.
That's how I look on the skillet. Before I put the cheese in it. That's my sister. She about to leave.
I got to go home to my 2 kids and my baby daddy. I got one baby daddy that I've been with since I was 16 years old. So he took my virginity. I'm telling my life
Bye.
story. Don't y'all want to hear my life story?
That's when you do a Q&A. Ain't nobody asked you to do no Q&A. I showed it.
My man,
She sprung.
I've been with him since I was 16.
Dang, how old are you?
24. It'll be 8 years this year.
Now the question is, are you happy?
Yes. Because not only do my man have a big dick, he is.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching me. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more videos to come. My sister is being very rude right now, so I gotta cut this short. And make sure you guys like this video if you enjoyed it. And I'm sorry about my sister, but she's in my life and I don't know why. But anywho, talk to you guys later. Peace.